Good morning, YouTube friends. Today is November 21, 2022, and it's day 27 of our Himalayan Mulberry update. We have so much rain last night, and so many of the Himalayan mulberry fruit were soaked into rain. As you can see there, see that? Too much rain is not also good for these mulberries. But I hope there will be no more rain today. And okay, we have more reds to follow. I think this afternoon these are ready to be harvested. We have a few here below. Very surprising. They're not soft yet, though. The color already changed a lot. Okay, we will have another harvest this afternoon. I think I will share this Himalayan mulberry with Teacher Ray. I want him to try tasting the very ripe ones like this. This was eaten by the bird. Just a little bit of wash. How many minutes do we have? 2 minutes. Go into 3 minutes time. Okay. If I gave this to Ray, then I still have more to harvest this afternoon. So that will be for my wife. This one is kind of damaged. Yeah. I mentioned to you lately that too much rain does not contribute good things to your mulberries, because the fruit itself really absorb water. So whenever I water this plant, I go directly to the trunk, to the base of the plant, not onto the fruits, because I know that these kind of berries and of course the sweetness, the quality of the taste of the fruit doesn't look the same with a mulberry that is not soaked by water or rain. But here we have this. Anyway, we'll try to clean this up. And YouTube friends, day 28. Yeah, day 28. If I mention a mistake lately, I'm very sorry. Apology. And November 21, 2022. um how to say that day 28 here. We just move out the pigweed plants that grows together with these onion chives. So I think the onion chives can maximize its growth. We still have um, one pigweed plant that stays here, so I have to remove this one later on another pot right inside the garden enclosure. And I think next week I have more time to continue cleaning here, replanting the onion chives like this one, and then I'll remove this platform and transfer this to an elevated area. The same look with these size of pots on top with onion chives planted in it, but it will be on an elevated area right here. Yeah, right here. So we have some pigweed plants there. I'm going to cut it maybe tomorrow or this afternoon and we'll give it to the chickens. So the platform I mentioned to you lately, I'll put the one behind there and then put some support in the middle, not to collapse, and then put pots on top with this onion chives on it as well. So here, I think I did the live streaming if you followed on, and it's there in the YouTube channel already. There were so many things I've mentioned there during the live streaming while I'm cleaning that one. And then yesterday, you see that one, the banana leaves on top. We planted like uh, one box, old box, and two average spots and one large spots where we planted beetroots from a friend, from an Australian friend. And okay, so we started trying to shaping the structure and the look of our garden enclosure inside, and we just clean up uh, that 44 pots of onion chives. First batch were 30 pots, and the last batch inside that are still trying to figure out if they can grow or not, around 14 pots. So there, the pigweed plant I mentioned lately that grows together with the onion chives there in the elevated platform. I transfer here to make it safe from the chickens, and I can just cut the sizes and the amount that the chicken needs to feed on, rather than let them rampage that one for just one time. So by cutting, we can grow another sets of branches, so we can last for several feeding for these pigweed plants that we have here. So we have a lot of things here to work on, YouTube friends, and I think if I have time after school, like within this week, today's Monday morning, around 7, close to 7 o'clock, and my wife and I needs to go now to school so that we will not be late. A lot of things to do. I have 5 periods teaching today, and okay, most part of the garden enclosure inside they're still messy, but anyway, um, we'll have to like remix the soil, and I think I need to consider to buy another sets of chicken's manure today or during salary time, and then gather all the pots that I have there right there at the back of that car. There's sets of sweet potatoes that my mom planted when she was here. Like when was that? um July. Yeah, July. And so I'll move all the pots right here from there, and then yeah, we'll put another sets of mixed soil with chicken's manure, and then um, I show you here the seeding that we did yesterday. It's here. We have this Black Beauty, a variety of eggplant from Australia. I think the agriculture technology was started by the country of Israel. And then we have here cabbage and F1 hybrid aubergine or purple eggplant. Actually, the Black Beauty is like mix of black and purple color, but the size is like I cannot describe you the size, but it's like round, but it's a big one. And then we have cedar tomato, a local variety here in Thailand. But I'm not sure if our F1 hybrid purple eggplant and cabbage will grow because as I look at the date, they're already expired. But I'm trying my luck. I'm trying my chance. There are seeds that are actually can germinate even it already expired. So that's what I'm trying here. So YouTube friends, we've got from our mulberry tree there, Himalayan mulberry with this another amazing harvest. Thank you once again for stopping by and supporting our YouTube channel. Spread the goodness and then I hope that you can get good information from our YouTube channel. Let us help and grow this community into a big one in the coming years. I want to see you all in the next vlog. See ya.